All right, let's quickly look at how you can disable your Facebook account for the meanwhile if you want to go offline on Facebook. This method that I'm about to show you in this video is going to help you. Okay, so just come to your profile here, click on your profile, then you want to go to this three dotted line here, then you want to scroll down, go to settings. So once you reach settings, click on account security here, then you want to scroll down and you see manage account, click on it. So once you click on it, then it will take you to this page. So this is your Facebook here. You can see that my Instagram account is locked, and you want to come to this Facebook account, click on it. So here you can see we have different options here. We have moralization, then we have deactivation or deleting, then move out, blah blah blah. So we are going for this second option, which says deactivation or deletion. So I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to take me to this page. So the first option is to deactivate account. So it says deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So but if you are deleting it, that means the deleting of the account is permanent. But here I'm going to be deactivating, so I'm going to tap continue. So once I tap continue, it's going to take me to this page where I have to input my password, right? So once you input your password, it's going to take you to the next page. So deactivating your Facebook account, so blah 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 blah. So I'm just going to select this first option, which says this is temporary, I will be back. You can select other options. So I'm going to tap continue from here. So it says taking a break from Facebook, we are sorry to see you go. If you want to take a break or deactivating your account, we can help you. You can also choose to log out instead. So they are suggesting other options for you. So just scroll down, select the day that you want to reactivate your account. So I think it's within 7 days, but I'm going to tap don't reactivate automatically. So I'm going to tap done. All right, so I'm going to tap continue from here, and once I tap continue from here, this will take me here. It says confirm temporary account deactivation. So they said they want to confirm again, so I'm going to tap deactivate my account. Okay, so once I tap deactivate my account now, automatically is going to do that for me immediately. So you can see here it has automatically logged me out, and my account is presently deactivated. So anytime you want to use it, you can always go back and go and use your account. That's how you can delete or log your profile out pending the time. So I hope you find value in watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.